Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable less sensitive content on Instagram. So Instagram sensitive content can include images or videos, violence, nudity, sexual content, hate speech, self-harm or illegal activities. Such content can have negative consequences, especially for young users. So platforms like Instagram have taken steps to protect users and ensure a safer online environment. If you want to see less of this type of content, follow the next steps. So first of all, open the Instagram application, then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then tap on these three bars in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the suggested content option. After that, tap on this sensitive content option. Once you have done that, now you have to tap on this less option and then confirm. You have successfully enabled the display of less sensitive content on your Instagram profile. Now you can enjoy a safer and more positive experience on this social network. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.